Expect the unexpected. Yes, we all know Safari's most trending promotion 10, 20, 30 is running here for the last couple of days. And for now, this promotion is continuing for this week also. So, let's go and check out the new products and details. Come. For this weekend, a hot deal is happening here as part of 10, 20, 30 promotion. 975 ml Parachute Edible Coconut Oil from February 4th to 6th. You can grab for just 10 dirhams. And note, this is a 3 days offer. Another 2 days killer deal. 5 kg Volga Palakkad and Matta rice on February 4th and 5th. You can grab for just 10 dirhams. 5 kg India Gate Jeeragashala for 10, 20, 30 promotion. You can avail for just 30 dirhams and this is a 2 days offer. 1 day hot deal happening on February 4th. 32 dirhams priced 1 kg Horlicks. As part of this promotion, you can avail for just 20 dirhams. That means 12 dirhams cashback. Killer deal happening in the butter section. 2 pieces of 400 gram unsalted Lurpak butter. For this weekend, just get for 20 dirhams. Apart from 10, 20, 30 promotion, affordable deals are happening in the vegetable and fruit section as well. Out of that, 1 kg Kent Kenya mangoes, which was 8.50 dirhams. For this weekend, the offer price is just 6.75. Another good deal in this section, 6.75 dirhams priced 1 packet grapes red globe. For this weekend, you can grab for 4.75 dirhams. Next deal, 5.75 dirhams priced 1 kg apple red ran. For this weekend, the offer price is only 2.75 dirhams. One of the best deal in the detergent section. 3 pieces of 1 kg Ujala washing powder. This weekend, you can get for just 10 dirhams. One of the best deal happening on February 4th and 5th. 39 dirhams priced 100 ml Eternal Love Spray. On these days, you can grab for just 30 dirhams. That means 9 dirhams cashback. A combo offer 1250 ml Lux Sunlight plus 450 ml Jif. For this weekend, you can grab for just 10 dirhams. In the department store, as part of 10, 20, 30 promotion, best and best deals are going here. Out of that, one of the amazing deal in the ladies wear section is 59 dirhams priced Pakistan Chudar material. For this weekend, the offer price is only 30 dirhams. Now we can see one of the best deal in the menswear section. Men's sports t-shirt. The offer price is only 30 dirhams, but not for one, for 2 pieces. A hot deal happening in the bedsheet section. 3 pieces tulip double bedsheet. The pocket price is only 30 dirhams. Apart from 10, 20, 30 promotions, budget-friendly deals are also there in the department store. 1249 dirhams priced 43-inch H Smart LED TV. Android 11. The offer price is just 999 dirhams for this weekend. Another deal is 899 dirhams priced 32-inch Heme Smart LED TV Android 11. For this weekend, the offer price is just 649 dirhams. One of the best deal in the luggage section. 69 dirhams priced assorted camping bag. As part of the promotion, the offer price is only 30 dirhams. So, be a part of 10, 20, 30 promotion and fill your trolley maximum with minimum spend. Safari world-class shopping experience.